Hello everyone, I am Moon, lecturer in Information Technology from Government Polytechnic Brahmapuri. In this video, we are going to learn various files and directory manipulation command. This is your practical number 7. So in this practical, there are two types of command. First one is the directory manipulation command and second one is the file manipulation commands. So directory means folders. So in Linux there are four commands which are related to directory manipulation. So mkdir, which is used to create a new directory or new folder. Second command is the cd, that is change directory. If you want to go from one directory to others, then this command is used. Third one is the rmdir, that is remove directories, which is used to delete or remove the empty directory or empty folder. It is not used to delete uh, any content, the directory which having any content. And fourth one is the pwd, that is present working directory. The output of this command will show the current directory in which you are working. Then second type is the file manipulation command. First one is the difference, which will show the difference between two text file. Then second one is the compare. This compare is similar to difference, but the compare is used to compare two sorted files. Okay. Then pr command is used to convert text file for printing. Okay. um, this pr command is not used for printing, it is just convert a text file for printing. Then dir command is similar to list command, that is ls command, which will show all the files and directory contain or include in a current directory. Then cmp is a compare files and display the difference. And last one is the ch mode, which will use to change or set three permissions: read, write or execute command. Okay. Now uh, see this hierarchy, that is osy folder. Main folder is the osy folder. In that folder we will create these two folders, that is ch1 and ch2. Then ch1 folder again contain a1, a2 and a3 folders, and ch2 contain b2, b1 and b2 folder. Okay, we will create this directory hierarchy in a Linux operating system. Okay, so for that, open Linux online server. Okay, here we will open terminal. Okay, now first we will see ls command. Okay, here these are the folders, the blue color represent folders, and one is the files. Okay, now here we will create. Now remember that hierarchy we see in power presentation, that is osy is the main folder, then this folder contain two folder, that child folder, that is ch1 and ch2, and ch1 also contain a1, a2 and a3, and ch2 contain b1 and b2. Okay, here we will make that hierarchy. So first we will make main directory, that is mkdir osy. Okay, so this will create osy folder list. Okay, okay, here is the new folder, that is osy. Now we want to create ch1 and ch2 folder in osy directory. Now we are in a, now we will see the present working directory, that is pwd. So present working directory is the onworks. Now we are in onworks directory, that is our home directory. Okay, now we want to change the directory to the OSY. So cd change directory to OSY. Okay. Okay, here you will see slash OSY dollar symbol means you are entering in a OSY directory. Here you will make mkdir ch1 and mkdir ch2. Okay, so here you will see ch1 and ch2 in a OSY folder. Okay, now again ch1 include a1, a2 and a3. So we will change again directory, that is cd ch1. So here you can see the ch1. Now in ch1 we will create mkdir a1, then a2 and then a3. Okay, ls command. So ch1 contain a1, a2 and a3. Okay. Now this is the folder in ch1. Now we want to create b1 and b2 in a ch2 folder. So we want to return back to OSY folder. Okay, so return back के लिए हमको टाइप करना है cd space dash dash enter. Okay, so we are come in OSY folder. Now in OSY folder we want to go to cd ch2. So ch2. Now here we want to create b1 mkdir. Here you can write b1 space b2. Okay, at the time two folders are created, ls. Okay, so ch2 contains b1 and b2 and ch1 contains a1, a2 and a3. Okay, now we will return back to OSY folder. Again return back to our home directory. Okay, home directory. Now we will see the list of file in home directory. So here is the main OSY folder. Now we can see the hierarchical format of that directory, that is OSY. So type tree and OSY enter. So the program tree is currently not installed. You can install it by typing sudo apt install tree. Okay, I don't know it will install or not. We'll try to install it. Okay, so tree function is installing in your operating system. So tree OSY will show the hierarchical directory hierarchy of the OSY folder. So OSY folder contain two folders, ch1 and ch2, and then ch1 folder contain again a1, a2 and a3 folders, and ch2 contain b1 and b2. Okay, so total is the 7 directory, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then so here three commands are completed, that is mkdir cd, that is change directory, and pwd present working directory. Now rmdir. So rmdir removes the blanked directory or empty directory. Suppose we are typing rmdir osy, it will show the error, that is directory is not empty. So here we cannot delete that directory osy because it is not empty. So if we want to delete the directory, so we have to delete it one by one, that is from a1, a2, a3 to then ch1 and then osy. So first we will delete a1, a2, a3, then ch1, then osy. So here we will change the directory cd osy, then cd ch1, and then here we will delete rmdir a1. Okay, so here if we will see the list, so here only contain a2 and a3, a1 is deleted. Okay, similar in this way rmdir, if we delete r a2, then rmdir a3. So if we see the content of this ch1, no output is shown because this is the empty directory. Now suppose if we change this directory, okay, no, okay, change, we will come, now we will see the list. So here is ch1 and ch2. Now we can delete ch1, so rmdir ch1 delete. So now we see content ls ch, it's only contains ch2. Now change directory back to home directory, and here we will see v osy c. So ch1 folder is deleted and the content of ch1 is also deleted, that is a1, a2 and a3. So it only contains ch2, b1 and b2. Okay, so these are the directory or folder manipulation command, that is mkdir cd change directory command, rmdir that is remove or delete the directories, and pwd command that is present working directory. Okay, now we will see the file manipulation command, that is difference, compare, pr, dir, compare and chmod. Okay, so first we will see the difference command. So for that we need two text files. So here we will create two text files, that is cat a1.t. Okay, we will give the content again. So a1.txt, enter. So here we will give abc, then pqr, and then xyz. Okay, control d, then cat a2.txt, enter. Here we will give some content, should be, we here we gave some content similar and some content pqr and mno. Okay, now we will see the output of difference command. So diff difference a1.txt, a2.txt. So enter. Okay, so this is the a1 file and a2 file, and difference between a2 file is on first line is similar, second line is similar, the difference is third line. Okay, three character in third line are different. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, three characters are different on line number 3, that is xyz and mno. Okay, so this is the output of difference. Now we will see next command, compare, that is comm, compare a1 dot txt, a2 dot txt. So here the compare the output of compare command is this will show the file 2 is not in sorted order. Okay, compare is used to compare the two sorted file. So here it will show the files are not file 2 is not in sorted manner and file 1 is in sorted manner. Okay, So ABC and PQ are the similar content in both files, and MNO and XYZ are the different content in a file 2 and file 1. Okay, then we will see PR command. Okay, PR command is not used for printing purpose. It just show how to print a particular file. Okay, how it will look whenever it is printed. Okay, so PR, and write down the name of that file, that is a1.txt. Okay, so it will, whenever the file is printed, it will print in this way, that is some space are there, are some space, then date is written, time is written, then name of that file is written, then page 1, and then content of the file are there. Okay, so PR command is used for print, convert a text file for printing purpose. Okay, then next command is dir command. Okay, so dir command is used to show number of files and folders contained in a current directory, similar to ls command. Okay, ls command का भी same output आता है, but in ls command these blue color represent the directory, means these blue color names are the folders, and here it will give same color to files name and folder names, and ls command is give blue color to the directory name. Okay, then next command is the compare command. cmp a1.txt, a2.txt. Okay, okay, here again gives the difference between a1 and a2 is the byte 9, line number 3. Okay, so line number 3 पे XYZ and MNO से वो डिफरेंस है, ठीक, A1 get a1.txt get a2.txt. So line 3 पे 6 बाइट से वो डिफरेंस है. देन है कंपेयर, हो गया, डिफरेंस हो गया, PR हो गया, DR हो गया. नाउ ch mode command. Okay, so ch mode command is used to change the permission given to that particular file. There are three permission: read, write, and execute permission. So ch mode command के लिए ls minus l is the variation of ls command. So here it will give the permission associated with that particular files. So first here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 digit number is there which will represent the permission given to that particular file. So first digit represent the particular file is directory or not. So here D represent the directory, means folder, and this dash represent the text file or any other files. Okay, then next three digit represent the users permissions, then next three digit represent the group permission, and next three digit represent the others permission. Users means which created a file, particular files. Group means the member related to that particular group, and this one permission which are given to the all other members which are working on a particular system. Okay, so here this one is the text file, then read and write permission is given to the owner of that file. Then read and write permission given to the members of that, the other members which are working on a particular system, given to that files, and only read permission is given to the users which are working on a other system. Okay, so here you can change the permission. So for permission changing, there is ch mode. Then I want to give write permission. Suppose here I want to give write permission to the all other members here. So here I will write ch mode, then space ch mode, then space o other के लिए, then assign के लिए plus, and then write w space a1.txt, a1.txt, enter. Okay, now ls minus here. Okay, see here in first, see here in first, here other member के लिए write की permission नहीं थी, but I have assigned the write permission to others. So here w is included, so all read and write permission given to all the users which are working on that particular files. Okay, now I want to remove that particular write permission from the other group. So I will write ch mode other minus w a1.txt, enter, and ls minus l. Okay, see this write permission is removed from that particular files. Okay, in this way we can change or assign the permission to that particular files with the help of chmod command. Okay, thank you.